small piece of space, they call it junk, had been causing a big headache for NASA scientists.
Houston is monitoring a piece of debris that could possibly pass in front of the International Space Station's orbit.
Talking about this 6-inch square piece, this old satellite.
The probability of it colliding with the International Space Station is within the red threshold. There is not enough time
to seek shelter.
Traveling at 17,000 miles an hour, if we were to hit the space station,
Could do a little
really
damage.
cause a very bad day.
Ignition sequence start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Реактор имминент.
Я пятый, передаю трубочку первому. Готовы быть?
4, 3, 2, 1.
The Eagle has landed.
Jayca, transfer.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
After half a century of space exploration, we're now suddenly faced with what's long been a staple of science fiction. An orbiting junkyard of cast-off space debris. The American Southwest is a breathtaking testament to the forces of nature that have shaped our world.
Okay, we're coming up on it now.
This is Meteor Crater near Winslow, Arizona. It is considered the world's best preserved meteorite impact site. And 20 million tons of TNT, creating all of this in just 10 seconds. The vehicle could then dock at a recycling facility, a place where space debris could be stored and recycled to create new parts. Imagine aluminum and fuel from centuries-old upper-stage rockets recovered and poured into an industrial outer space post.
Industrializing space is never an issue of science fiction. It's more of a question of, do we want to do it, and when do we have the infrastructure established so that we can do it? It's what we will do in the future as we move out into space.
Space-based recycling could someday become a reality, launching a new, greener era of space exploration. For as long as humans have walked the planet, we've looked at the heavens to help us define our role in the universe. The celestial bodies in our skies and the constellations they form have forever shaped our notions of time and place. Today, constellations of our own making fill the night skies. As we continue to push skyward, relying on what the universe has taught us, where would we be if we couldn't consult the stars?
Growing up, it was my fantasy that I would get to see humanity spread off of the Earth and throughout the solar system. So, do I think this snowballing event will actually happen? I can't imagine, after dreaming and working towards spaceflight, and after 50 years of having achieved it, that we would ever cut ourselves off from space. That goes against everything that humanity's ever strived for. My legacy will probably always include being known as the father of space junk. What I hope that means is that we continue to maintain access to space and learn more about life and the environment.